Hello, and welcome to the Pet Care Shortcomings and Wishlist video. My name is Ronald Pena, and the members who built this app are myself, Paola Castro, Alejandro Corbello, Sierra Morel, Omar Rodriguez, Jose Serpa, and Brian Virgil. The Capstone 1 members who shadowed us and assisted in the documentation are Rolando Moya and Daniel Perez. Our product owner is Dr. Hamid Sedagat, and our instructor is Dr. Masood Sajadi. Due to the limited amount of time, there are some features that unfortunately did not make it to the final version of Pet Care. However, we are very confident that the next team to take on this project has everything they need to succeed and implement all future requests made by the product owner. There were some missteps when we began the project with learning the technology stack required, but overall, the team did a great job with adapting to the stack and overcoming in order to fulfill all of the requests made by the product owner. Due to the time constraint, the chat and messaging functionality features were unfortunately left for future teams to work on. We created the toggle for it and a basic user interface, but there is still no core functionality. Maybe in the future, a bot can be implemented to act as a basic mail service to interact with the veterinarian, and also a forum may be created within the app in order to have the users be able to communicate with each other. Another feature that we cut due to time constraints is the lost pet feature. Ideally, we would integrate the Google Maps API to our application and create a heat map that will highlight areas of reported animals and cross-reference with the animals currently existing in the database. Then, a ping will be sent to your device should you be in the vicinity of the reported missing animal and the last location a user may have reported. Finally, the team ran into behavioral issues associated with React applications. To be more specific, there are behavioral differences between the iOS and Android version of the application. As such, demoing the product over time was restricted to those with access to macOS. We then decided it would be best to focus on the version that reported the least amount of bugs, errors, and glitches, which ended up being the iOS version, despite our current limitations. However, with clear communication across all team members, we were able to approve a working, fully functional iOS version to demo. Due to the limitations with Firebase, integrating pre-existing databases to include prescription drug medication, breed species listings, and diseases proved more difficult than expected. We used Firebase to implement roles rather than have it be an in-app feature, but this is something we left for future teams to work on. For the sake of time constraints, we made some choices to reflect on the Firebase rather than be in-app features. However, we expect the future teams to improve on these features. Thank you.